Hello students, so welcome back. I'm sure you all are fit and fine. So children, let's continue with our present exercise, that is exercise 12.2. So we begin with question number 27. The question is, a steamer travels 90 km downstream in the same time as it takes to travel 60 km upstream. If the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, find the speed of the steamer in still water. So first you need to understand what do you mean by upstream and downstream. So here we begin. So children, according to the question, distance travelled downstream 90 km and distance travelled upstream 60 km. Time is constant. Now first here you need to understand what is downstream and what is upstream. Now when a steamer, a ship, a boat is moving, the water, there is a current in water. Now in which direction the water is flowing, that is very important regarding the movement of the steamer. So if I say the flow of the current of water or water is flowing this side. So if the ship is moving this side along with the water, then this is your downstream. So in downstream what happens? Naturally when the ship flows downstream, that is along with the water, the speed of the ship will increase. So here it will be plus what? Plus the speed of water. And vice versa, just opposite to that, if a steamer is moving in opposite direction, like water is flowing in this way but the steamer is moving to this, so this is called upstream. So naturally you can see when a steamer is moving against the floor, so the speed will be deaccelerated, speed will be reduced. So here that's why the speed of the water will be minus. You have to subtract out, I write here, in upstream you have to subtract out the speed of water, and here in downstream you have to add up. Because when it is moving downstream, the speed increases, upstream the speed of the steamer decreases. That is why in the question you see time is the same, time is constant, but downstream it is moving 90 km, upstream it is moving 60 km. Now what is the speed of the stream given? 5 km per hour. And what we have to find? We have to find speed of steamer. So let the speed of the steamer be x km per hour. So time remains the same. So according to the question, T1 is equal to T2. So how do we find time? Speed is equal to distance by time. So time is distance by speed. So as T1 equals to T2, we can write d1 by s1 is equal to d2 by s2. Follow? That means distance of the first downstream we are taking d1. So 90 divided by what is our s1? Speed x plus 5. Downstream you are going to add up. So here if we come to speed of the steamer downstream, that is x, that is the speed of the steamer. With that what you have to add? You have to add the speed of the stream. So plus 5. And when it is upstream you have to subtract out. So it is x minus 5. So let us put up the value. So here that is equal to 60 by, I'll just clean this part now. So when we come to downstream children, it is for the second case it is 60 divided by x minus 5. That is your S2. So how are you going to solve it? By cross multiplication. So this is equal to 90 into x minus 5 and that is equal to 60 into x plus 5. And you solve x here and that is only your answer because you have to find the speed of the steamer. Followed? So once more I repeat, upstream and downstream. So when the steamer is moving downstream, you have to add up the speed of the stream, the river. And when the steamer is moving upstream, you have to subtract out the speed of the steamer. Follow children? Now the next question. Question number 29. Question 29 says, distance between two places A and B, two places 350. Follow. Now two cars start simultaneously from A and B towards each other. Two cars proceeding towards each other. And they have travelled the distance between them after 4 hours. So for 4 hours both the car move towards each other, and after 4 hours what is the distance between them? The distance here is 62 km. What you have to find? If the speed of one car is given. So let the speed of one car here, it is given 8 km per hour less than the speed of the other car. So let the speed of one of the car be x. Then what will be the speed of the other car? Naturally it will be, as there is a difference of 8. So naturally the other car will be, here I have done, see, speed of car 1 x, we are holding it. So naturally speed of car 2 will be x minus 8 according to the question. So here what the question says, that there is 2 points A and B, distance is 350. Now here and here. So C1 and C2, two cars proceeding towards each other. Now we begin with the question. See, so let the speed of C1 and C2 we did. Therefore, according to the question, distance covered by both cars in 4 hours. So in 4 hours, what is the distance that has been covered already? That is 350 minus 62. Because after 4 hours, the distance between both the cars, the leftover distance was 62. Follow? So what is the distance covered in 4 hours? 350 minus 62. That means distance covered by car 1 in 4 hours plus distance covered by car 2 in 4 hours, that is equal to the total distance 350 minus 62. So in this way we are going to frame the equation. So the equation becomes x into 4 plus x minus 8, that is the speed of the second car, into 4, and that is equal to 350 minus 62. Because distance is equal to speed into time. So what are we doing here? Speed, and we are multiplying the speed with time. Now from this equation, children, you find x. So as you find x, that is only the speed of one of the car, and according to the question you have to find the speed of each car, both the cars. So first you find x, that is the speed of one of the car, C1, and then you find the speed of the other car, and that is x minus 8. So students, with this we come to the end of exercise 12.2. Now we begin with the next exercise, that is exercise 12.3. So students, let's begin with exercise 12.3, that is linear inequalities. Now what do you mean by linear inequalities? Linear inequalities mean statements like x less than 4, x greater than equal to 5. So here children, you can see that there is no equation here, like left hand side equals to right hand side. Then the question arises, how can we solve these inequations? We solve these inequations referring to a mother set given. That is called a replacement set. In replacement set, certain answers are given. So what you have to do, you have to chalk out your answers. That is, what is the value of a literal, of that particular literal. You have to chalk out the answers from the replacement set. And whatever answer you obtain, that is your solution set. So if I give you a question like x less than 4, and I give you that the replacement set is whole number, then what will be your solution set? Your answers will be, as it is whole number, so answer will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Followed. Similarly, for the same question, x say less than 4, I give you replacement set that your x belongs to natural number. So when your replacement set is natural number, then what will be your solution set? In that case, natural number, so it will be 1, 2 and 3. Followed. So you have to refer to the replacement set, that is the mother set, the way we have universal set in the set chapter. The same way you have to refer to the replacement set and you have to chalk out your answers, that is you have to find your solution set. So let's begin. The first question, you can see here in question number 1, the replacement set is given -7, -5, -3, -1, 0, 1 and 3. Question number 1, x greater than -2. So when it is greater than -2, what will be your answers? Your answers will be -1, 0, 1 and 3. Whatever is there in the replacement set. Next you come to the next question, x is less than -2. So less than -2, answers will be -3, -5 and -7. The third question, where x is greater than 2. So x is greater than 2, it will be only 3. Fourth question, you can see your x is less than equal to 5. So less than equal to 5 means 5 is not there, but you have till 3. So right hand side you have to include all till 3. And your x is greater than -5. So when it is greater than -5, your answers will be -3. That is from -3 till 3. So your answers will be -3, -1, 0, 1 and 3. This is question number 4. So in this way children, you have to refer to the replacement set and solve the answers. Let us come to question number 2. In question number 2, you have to solve it graphically. That means first you have to write the answer. After chalking out the answer, you have to represent it in a number line. Followed? So here the first question, x is less than equal to 4 and x belongs to natural number. So what will be your answer? Answer will be, as it is natural number, your answer will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Followed? And as you have to represent it graphically to number 1, what you have to do here? 2, if I come to number 1, after chalking, so you have to do the number lines, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, say 5, this side -1, and I am doing this is 2 number 1 children, your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you have to do? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to make these points bold. In this way you have to solve. As your x was less than equal to 4 and your x belongs to natural number. Clear? These are very simple questions. So same question number 3 and 4. Same kind of questions children. You refer to the replacement set and then you find your answer and that is your solution set. Straight away let us come to question number 5. Question number 5 you will see here you cannot chalk out your answers directly like whatever we did in question number 1, 2, 3. Directly you can, by referring to the replacement set, you can chalk out your answers. But in question number 5 onwards, what you have to do? You have to solve. You have to solve and find that what is the relationship coming for x. And then you will refer to the replacement set and then you will chalk out your answers. So we begin with question number 5, the first one. Question 5 children, your replacement set is given here. Follow? And you see, question is 2x minus 3 and that is greater than 7. So what you have to do? You have to trim down the left side to x. You have to trim down the relationship into x so that you can find what x is. How can we do? There is no equal to sign. So whatever you are doing in the left side, the same thing you have to do on the right side. Like if I am doing multiplication, multiplying by 5 into 5 here, I have to do into 5 right side. Why? To keep my inequality the same. So here first what you have to do, first we have to remove minus 3. So this equals to children 2x. How can you remove minus 3? By adding 3. The moment I do plus 3, both will cancel out. So minus 3 plus 3 greater than 7 plus 3. This side also. So this cancel out. So now you see your 2x is greater than 10. Now I have to trim it down to x from 2x. How can I do it? So 2x I will divide it by 2. So 2x divide by 2. So this side also 10 divided by 2. So what you get? 2x by 2, 2 will cancel up. Only remaining is x. And x is greater than 5. Follow? Therefore solution set. equal to. Your x is greater than 5. Refer to the replacement set which is given. Greater than 5. So your answer over here will be 6, 9, 12. Followed? So this was your question number 5, 1. Followed? 6, 9 and 12. Come to the next question. Straight away I come to question number 6, 1. See, 4x plus 1 less than 17. Straight away first to remove plus 1. So this equals to 4x plus 1 minus 1, 17 minus 1. Cancel off. This is 4x divided by 4, 16 divided by 4. So x less than 16 divided by 4 is 4. So x less than 4. Therefore solution set equals to or x equal to. Anyway, okay. X equal to. X is less than 4. X belongs to natural number. So as it is natural number, it will start from 1. So your answer is 1, 2 and 3. Straight away the next question. Question number 7. Here, the first thing what we have to do, we have to remove this 5. How can I remove 5? By multiplying with 5. So this is equal to 2y minus 1 divided by 5 into 5 less than equal to 2 into 5. Okay, fine. Now, this is equal to 2y minus 1. 5 cancel off. Less than equal to 5 2s are 10. Next, remove minus 1 by adding 1. So, minus 1 plus 1 less than equal to 10 plus 1. So, at the end what minus 1 plus 1 cancel off. So, what will be your y? Y will be less than equal to 10 plus 1 is 11. So, 11 divided by 2. So when you divide 11 by 2, you will get 2 5s are 10. So it will be 5.5. So children, your y is less than equal to 5.5. Follow? So your replacement set here is natural number. Y belongs to natural number. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because your y is still 5.5. So therefore, solution set will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next we come to straight away question number 8. Okay. Question number 8, 1 children. Question number 8, 1, 2x minus 3 and less than x plus 2. Just let me check the question. Yes, correct. And x belongs to natural numbers. First what we have to do, minus 3 here. So first we have to cancel off minus 3 by what? By adding 3. So this is equal to 2x minus 3 plus 3 less than x plus 2 plus 3. So gone. So 2x less than x plus 5. Now here you will see this is with a difference. What is the difference here? Here is also a x, there is also a x. So what we have to do? We have to cancel off one x. How can you cancel this x? This is a plus x. So what I have to do? I have to do minus x over here. So naturally I have to do minus x towards my left side also. So this equals to 2x minus x less than x plus 5 minus x. So plus x minus x gone. 2x minus x, x is less than 5. Therefore the solution set. Your x is less than 5 and your x is natural number. So your answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So solution set 1, 2, 3 and 4. Follow children, very simple. What you have to do, you have to see the question, the inequality, whatever the inequality is given. After seeing the inequality, either you have to solve it if it is in this format or it will be given in solved format only. Like in question number 1, 2, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after seeing the inequation, you have to solve it. Then you have to refer to the replacement set. That is the mother set. Referring to the replacement set, you have to chalk out the answer. Follow? It is not x greater than 4. So you are keeping on writing 5, 6, 7, 8. No. It is very important that you have to refer to the replacement set and after that only you have to chalk out your answers. So students, with this we come to the end of today's session. What we did today, we completed exercise 12.2, that is word problems, and we started with exercise 12.3, that is linear inequalities, and we have completed till question number 8. So students, till we meet in the upcoming session, goodbye and good luck. Thank you children. Bye-bye.